So first of all, I will search for my SAP software. Double click on the SAP logon. I got this link. Now, for the first time, you will not have this link. So what you can do is you can right click on the connection, click on the add new entry, okay? And then user specified, click on the next. At this point, you have to enter some information. So what is that? The client. Now we are into the system. So let's go and see what the lab activity says. Lab activity say log into the system. Yes, we are logged on to the system. Initial screen is this one. Yes, we are on this initial screen. Now this initial screen has 3 menu bars. So this is if I click on that, this is my menu bar. This is my title bar. This is fixed and this is also fixed. Now the third is application toolbar, guys. This application toolbar is also is not fixed. It changes when you change the program. When you change the application, it changes here. So 3 toolbars, menu bar, you can say title bar, and this is application toolbar. Okay. Now we want to open a program. For example, I want to display some material. So I have to click on this arrow. Okay. So it is trying to open, and then I will go for the material management because I want to display some material. I want to display some master record. So material master record. I clicked on that. By the way, you can click on these arrows and you can keep opening that one, or I can click here. Some system it will work, and for some students it will not work. So I'm using the arrow keys now. Right arrow key, I'm not using the mouse. You see, I move my mouse on the other side, and now I'm going down with my arrow keys. Right arrow key, down arrow key, down, down, down. Right arrow key, down. Right arrow key, down, and then display. Right arrow key. So when I press right arrow key, it opens the menu. When I press left arrow, it closes. You see, it closes. So right will open, and left close. So I want to display this current record. So what I want to do is I just double click on that. And you see here, this application toolbar is changed now. You see that? This is still same, the title toolbar, the menu toolbar. Only this part is changed, huh? Only this part. Otherwise, rest everything is same. And this is my application toolbar. So I want to go out, so I can click on the red button. The red is for cancel. This is exit. And this is if you have something, you can go back. So if I click on this, it will go back to the main menu. Okay. If I did exit, it will exit from that application. It will come back to the main menu. So sometime we click on the back, click on the. So this is how it is. Now, if I open this one, display at a key date, what is the difference between this and the previous program we opened before? Only difference is it has a key date, the material number and the key date you have to enter. So let's see, you see that? So we have a same menu, title, application toolbar, material, and the key date. Before application does not have the key date, and this is having an additional column. If you see here, I can click back again. This application does not have the key date field. Another interesting part is, you see here. Now, another interesting part is, if I want to know what is this column about, I will press F1. F1 is for help. So it will display me. It will display me that, okay, this is the material number. Can you see this screen, the new screen, please? Because sometimes, yes. Sometimes.
Yes, okay.
Very good. So this is my help for that column. I double click on that, close. If I click on this one, how I press F4, then it will display me. So it will display me a place where I can, he says, okay, what you want to search for? I want to search for my material. So my material is, for example, 244 is my username. I remember when I created the material, I put my number at the end. So I can say star 244. Okay. So star mean any alphabets before 244. Press enter. Now you can see that, oh, all my codes are available here. So I'm looking for a bike, touring bike. You see here, the last digit is 244. And before I have anything, DXTR1, something like that. So double click on that, I get the value. So with the help of F4, or if with the help of this button, I was able to get the value from the list. So F4 is for list value and F1 is for the information about the field. So I can press enter, and you see here, I can select the basic data and press enter. So this is the material data information. I can display the material data, the material number, the material description, the unit each, the weight of the bike is 8.5 kilogram, like that. Similarly, I can exit from here. I can click on the exit button and I can exit from the program and I come out. Now, I want to close this one. Left arrow key, left arrow key, left arrow key, left arrow key, and I closed all of them. Now, I want to display the material. How much quantity I have this material, this bicycle. So to find the quantity, you have to go to this case study. You see here, you have to go to the logistics, you have to go to the material management, then inventory management. Let's go here. So this is logistics. I'm using arrow keys. Go to the material management, then go to the inventory management, go to the environment, and then click on the stock, click on the stock overview. And you see the code is MMBE. I can double click here and I remember this code MMBE. Okay, I will show you how we can use this code. You see that? Since I typed the material before, it is still there. I can click on this button. This is my execute button. I can click on that and now it can display me. Oh, I have like 470 bicycles full in this company code and in this company code. This is German, this is American. So 350 in American company, 120 in German company, total 470 bicycles I have in my company. I told you the code MMBE. I don't have to come here to see the stock. I can go back, I can close all my menu. I can type here MMBE, the program name, press enter. So I can directly jump to the program like that. So this is my command where I can type the command MMBE, the program name. I can exit from here or I can cancel this one. I can cancel this transaction, come back here. Now, let's see, we have on the bottom, we have this status bar, okay? Any message comes in, it comes up on the left side. And on the right side, I have some information about the system. Oh, this is my system, this is my session, and this is my client. If I click, oh, this is user is Tariq Aziz, client is 408. Oh, this program is a session manager, So this is the status bar. It has information about that. Yeah, I can close this one. I can click on the button. It is closed. I can click on this button. Open now, like that. Now, if you see on the top, I have this session, new session. So if I click on that, I got session number 2. Can you see that? Session number 2 here. So this is my session number 2. Similarly, I can click on that and I get session number 3. So I can keep on going session. Maximum session is number 6. This is 4. I can open it another session. This is 5. I click again. I open another session. Has a 6. If I click again, it will give me a message. Maximum number of GUI session reached. So this is the information. Okay. So I can close this one. 6 closed, 5 closed, 4 closed, and this 2 is also closed, and now we have 1. So I closed by pressing Alt F4. So Alt F4 is to close the session. Okay, now if you see here, we have a button here, customize layout. Let me make the screen big. Can you see this button, the laptop, computer, desktop? I can click on that. This is my customized layout. Click on the option. Okay. If I click on the option, then I can change the theme. You know the theme? I can pick this theme, or I can pick classic theme, something like that. So I can pick any theme for my application. SAP signature theme like this one, you know. I can go to my interaction. Notification. I want to display messages. I want to display beep. I want to display warning message, error message, success message, everything I want to display. Okay. I clicked OK. Now what will happen, for example, if I say MMBE like that, this program, if I press enter, now I got a message. You see that? This box? This is what I click. Any success message, any error message, any information message, it says that this program does not exist. So I got it like that. Okay. So this is another thing. Let me go back and I say, don't display me anything. Don't display me anything. I click OK. Now if I type the same thing, that was MMBE, MMBBBBB, press. Now I got just message here. I didn't get the big dialog box on the screen. So this is what we can do from the custom layout. Okay, what is the next part? Favorites. Guys, if you see here, this is my favorite program. Let me, if it is favorite is here, I don't have to go to the material master, material display, current, or so I can just double click on this one and it will open the program MM03 like that. Okay. Similarly, I can double click on that. It will open the MMB program. Now, how to create this kind of favorites? So right click and delete this one. Let's delete the favorites. And I can right click and delete the favorite. Now, I have to go to this program. For example, I want to go for the material master. So I can go to the material master, material, and display, and this program. So I can right click on this program and I can say add to favorite. Now, if you see here, it is added to the favorites. Now, I can also add any other object, like I have the Hotmail. Let me delete this one and I can say I want to create. So I can right click here on the favorite. I can say I want to add another object. Okay. What object you want? I want the web address. Double click on that. Okay. I want my Hotmail. So I can say Tariq Aziz Hotmail. Now I can go to the www.hotmail.com. There you go. Press enter. Now you see that I got a URL and this is Tariq Aziz's Hotmail. I can double click on that. It will directly take, okay, it says, do you want to go to the website? Yes, I allow you to go to the website. Open the website and if you go to the hotmail.com. Okay. So this is how it is working. So I can right click on that. I can delete my favorite. So this was our favorite business. Now, we already talked about that. If you know the transaction, okay, if you see here, I'm displaying the transaction code, but sometime we don't want to display because we know that. So I can go to the extra, I can click on the settings and I say, I don't want to display the technical name. How's the technical name? Okay, display technical name. I don't want to display. So you see here, this is gone now. Even if I go inside the logistics and I go to material management and I go to material master and I go down, material display, and you see that before it was displayed MM03, now it is not displaying. So I can go back to the extra, I can click on the settings, I can say, okay, please display the technical name, okay, and now the name will be displayed, technical name will be displayed here. Okay. Another interesting command, we have some commands here, /n new exit the current transaction. Okay. So for example, I'm in the program MMBE. I'm in this program and I want to quit from this. I can click on this button or I can say /n. So it will go out of this program. /n. And if I do /n here, oh my goodness, it will say, do you want to log out? Okay. Oh, it took my menu off. You see that? So I can click on that start easy menu and then it will come back again. So /n is for exit from the program. Okay, I want to open the program. So I can say /o, it will open into a new MMBE. There you go. So it will open a new session and it will start the program. Now, if you see here, this should be session number 2, if I'm not wrong. Oh, session number 3. Maybe we are 2 sessions before we are having. When I exit from this session, I can say /n. Simple. So it is gone. And I came back. What else is there? So you can try some of the transaction codes are available here. You can try by yourself. And then we have SU3. Guys, this is another interesting part. SU3. So what you can do, you can click on this part and say SU3. Type in here in this command mode. And then press enter. And you can type your name. You can go to the default. You can change how you want to display the figures. So there are 3 different ways you can display whatever you like. Then date, how you want a date. You have different options for the date. Different options for the times. Okay. So you can specify, you can change, you can click on the save and then come out. Help, I already told you we have 2 types of help, F1, F4. F1 will display the information about the column and F4 you can give it a list of value to pick one value and use it. We already display this MMBE, we already display this part. And this is the same thing. And at the end, we have to log off the computer. So I can stop the recording now.